Today we are going to show you 100 backyard shed trends 2025. Think sheds are just dusty old toolboxes. Think again. Welcome to 2025 where garden sheds are smart, stylish and seriously cool. Whether you are dreaming of a cozy escape or planning a tiny Airbnb retreat in your backyard, this video is your ultimate guide to the latest shed trends. Let's dive into 100 insanely creative backyard shed ideas you're going to love. Number 1. She sheds and he heavens. First up, the she shed and he heaven trend is booming. These aren't just sheds, they are private escape. Ladies are turning it into art studio with soft pastel walls and cozy vibes, while guys are creating game zones or mini workshop, fairy lights, plush chairs, vintage decor, whatever helps you unwind, that's your heaven. Number 2. Tech-ready smart sheds. Your shed just got a tech upgrade. In 2025, sheds can be voice-activated, solar-powered and Wi-Fi ready. Control your lighting, heating and even your espresso machine all from your phone or smart speaker. Number 3. Green roofs and living walls. Want a shed that literally blooms? Try a living roof or a vertical garden wall. They look beautiful, attract butterflies and help regulate temperature naturally. Use herbs, moss or flowering plants and your shed becomes a part of your garden's ecosystem. Number 4. Multi-use marvels. Why choose one purpose when your shed can do it all? 2025 is all about multifunctionality. Picture this, it is your garden office during the day, but night it turns into your yoga studio or wine lounge. Foldable furniture and clever storage make it possible. Number 5. Tiny homes and Airbnb minis. Thinking bigger. Many people are transforming sheds into fully functional tiny homes or Airbnb rentals. Add a bed loft, a mini kitchenette, and a composite toilet, and boom, your backyard becomes a profitable guest retreat. Number 6. Cottage core and vintage vibes. If you love the vintage aesthetics, you will adore this. Cottage core sheds are all about floral curtains, worn wood, lace, tablecloths and a little touch of magic, and a mason jar, chandelier and an antique chair, and you are in a storybook. Number 7. Industrial chic and minimalistic designs. Prefer clean lines and modern vibes? Try the industrial look with matte black finishes, corrugated steel walls and Edison bulbs, or go full Scandi minimalism with whitewashed wood, natural light and a simple, serene layout. Number 8. Upcycle and sustainable sheds. Let's talk green. Eco-conscious builders are using reclaimed wood, recycled glass and salvaged doors to build stunning sheds. Many even add rainwater collection systems and solar panels, good for the planet and easy on the eyes. Number 9. Indoor-outdoor blending. Want to make your shed feel like a natural part of your garden? Open it up. Install bifold glass doors or even a deck to blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. Add cozy seating, a fire pit nearby, and you have got the perfect hangout spot. Number 10. Whimsical and themed sheds. Finally lets your imagination run wild. Some of the coolest sheds are themed. Hobbit home with round doors, Zen courts for meditation, pirate themed playhouses for kids. Let your backyard reflect your personality. So, whether you are building your dream workspace, a hideaway retreat, or the cutest guest house ever, remember your garden shed can be much more than just storage. Hit like if you found an idea you love and comment below which shed trend is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Thank you.